Good morning, everyone. Again, this is Teacher Chris, and today we are going to learn how to use there is and there are. Okay, so let's start with this one. So there is and there are. There is versus there are, how to choose. The choice between the phrases there is and there are at the beginning of the sentence is determined by the noun that follows it. So last time, we learned also what noun is all about. So use there is when the noun is singular. We also learned about this one. What is singular? For example, there is a cat. So we use is if our noun is singular. Singular means only one. Use there are when the noun is plural. So there are two cats. So two cats is plural or more than one. So therefore, you are going to use are. Again, there is if our noun is singular, and there are if our noun is plural. Okay, so let's have some examples. So there is a book. Okay. Okay, so there is only one book. So that's why there is. Next. There is a bag. So only one bag. Look at the arrow here. Okay. So there is only one bag. So that's why it used there is. Next. Okay. There are chairs. So how many chairs? Let us count. We have 1, 2, and 3. So therefore, our noun is plural. So that's why we use there are. Again, there are chairs. There is a teacher. So how many teachers do you see? Okay, there is only one teacher. That's why we use there is. There is a globe. So how many globe? Okay, there is only one globe. So that's why we use there is. There are 2 boys. How many boys? Let us count. 1, 2. So 2 boys means they are plural or more than one. That's why we use there are. There is a ruler. So there is only one ruler here. So that's why we use there is. So our noun is singular. There are 2 girls. So how many girls? 1, 2. So 2 means plural or more than one. That's why we use there are. There is a board. So how many board do you see? Okay, so there is only one board. That's why we use there is. So there is means singular. Again, we are going to use there are if our noun is plural. Plural means more than one. We are going to use there is if our noun is singular. Singular means only one. Okay, so it's time for your practice activity. Now, what you are going to do is to fill in the blanks here. So, number 1 is there is a book in the bag. There is a ruler in the bag. Look at the pictures very carefully. So, what do you see? Okay, so there is an blank next to the bag. So, what is this? So, you are going to write this one here. There is a blank behind the bag. Oh, what's behind the bag? Okay, you need also to write this one here. There is a pen, blank, the bag. Where is the pen? Okay, so you need to write the correct words. Next, there are books in the bag. So you are just going only to see and you need to write this one. You need to follow with what you have written this one. It's because sometimes or some of the words or some of the answers you can find here. Okay, so you just need to follow the directions very carefully and read the words very correctly or very carefully. Okay, so you don't forget to look at the pictures here so that you can answer this blank or this. You can fill in the blanks here. Okay, so that's all for today. And if you have any questions, then you can message me in the line. So see you again next time.